Recording now. Yeah, no, I'm so used to like Cali's West Coast time zone because timing is key. And if you're off, you're already fucked up. I mean, you saw it yesterday, right? It was just a quick second of the wick of a retest. Honestly, I just thought it could have been a little bit lower. I mean, a little bit higher. And for the resistance yesterday, and man, that thing is shot up. I don't know why though. My allergies are buzzing me right now. Let me start up my other laptop. I just set this one. This one's West Coast 608. No, I haven't hopped on the charts yet. Plus, I think if we're being honest, I think it might just be you, and I feel like maybe just one more person. Which that's fine. That's fine. I mean, after all, you're the one that was asking for this, so it's okay. I can share my screen for you. If I take a trade, great. Let me do this. Let me actually tag people. Dude, I have this one candle. It's cedar wood, musk. It's from Target, dude. It's fucking amazing. I love Target's candles, to be honest. I literally just fucking got it as soon as I landed in the airport. Aside from water and some snacks, some food. All right. Oh shoot! It's already 6:10. 6:10. So, talk to me about yesterday, dude. What happened yesterday? You just spun out? I mean, it happens to all of us. Don't get me wrong. I can't. I spun out on Monday, right? Yeah, with your trading. If you don't wanna talk about it, hey, it's all good too. I get it. I kind of have those moments too. Like, man, it just happened. Fuck it. It is what it is. I was literally fighting the urge to not get on tilt. Okay, there you go. Then I took a hefty loss, and then so it's two different trades, right? Or are you saying you took a loss at first, and then after that you took another trade and made back to the loss? So I'm gonna just say here, since it is recording, I'm literally, I think I'm about like 65 to 70% done with recording the second episode of the mentorship. Kinda, okay. Let me set him up. My broker. Jeez, allergies here sucks. One trade that was. Gotcha. I mean, how's your account? Obviously, I know that you clearly are not in the same shape. Hey, what's up, Punjit? That name fucking makes me laugh. Especially now that I know the story a little bit. Definitely should have held this before. Oh yeah, that's the one I saw in Profits when I started it, so. Fuego. So, let me just say it because I got like a minute. I'm about 60-70% done with recording the second episode of the mentorship. I literally will try to finish it between today and tomorrow. At most, it takes like an hour and a half to upload on YouTube because these are a few gigabytes. It's just stupid because I literally try to keep it like the tiniest file, um, just for the sake of uploading speed. And then I also have to, before that, I also have to, because I have 3 clips. So I already recorded 2 sessions and I have one more session to record. So that's that. Let's hop onto a chart because it's 6:13. This is the time I typically like to hop onto charts. All right. So, let's see. We also didn't check Forex Factory. 6:05. It matches. Let's refresh it. It matches this time zone. Great. 6:13. No news today. No news Friday. But we have representatives. Oh man, I don't have my news over here. That's what sucks. But we have representatives talking on the funding between Iran and the war stuff. So that's that. Nothing else really major today, to be honest. Wouldn't even worry about the representatives talking about it. So that's it. I'm honestly, I mean it, by the way, though. These live streams are just, they're better than the mentorship because you get to see it live. You get to hear my thought process live compared to all this stuff is basically, you know, when I record trade recaps, it's like I already know the outcome. Obviously, I think anybody could fake that. You can't fake this, though, right? So, that's what I was thinking about for the 3rd episode of the mentorship. But now I'm like, you know what? I'm already done with the. I mean, I've been doing live streaming, so why do I need to keep this up, you know? I mean, what's the need for the 3rd episode? I want to see it hold somewhere over here, ideally. Some longs. So, I want to see it hold. We can be holding. I think this would be a great support. We did come and tap it here. Ideally, yeah, this should be good. I want to see it hold. I mean, I'm a little bit scared, like, what if it's over here too? Because came down, came up, came down, came. Also, guys, I should just mute that. Really would recommend you guys to mute your microphones. If you guys are talking, I just can't hear it. So, as I did say, hey Nolan, what's up? I am. Oh, I need to set up my lot size. I want to hit the gas today, dude. I want to hit the gas on this account. Depending on the setup. Expecting longs. The account is sitting at $634.46. I think I can take $5 per point, which is the first time on this account. Honestly, it's gonna be a first time in probably trading even that lot size since stuff happened. I'm not feeling this one so much. Or what was it? It was 186. Mine. Okay. Yeah, I would really love to see it hold support here, to be honest. This is just the only thing that makes sense. By the way, guys, my allergies are killing me, so heads up. You guys want to text bonfire, please mute yourself. Well, whether you talk or don't, I just can't hear you. So, bitch, who texted that? Bitch, am I the goat or what? Or what? I had a feeling that you would go for this. I'm just looking at your chart. Yeah, that's the same as me. Actually, I would probably say it should be a little higher. I want to put it right there, but I'm a little bit scared. Either it could hold support here or it could hold support there, but it makes sense because you have to look to the left, right? So bounce, bounce. 2 weeks, 2 weeks, third, fifth week, sixth week. That's my confirmation. Um, yeah, no, that's good. That's confirmation. That's what I use as confirmations. Um, this is why. This is what makes Fridays really difficult for many traders. I normally think Fridays is a little bit easier. It's just you have to be picky, right? So you have to be very picky. Mondays and Fridays, to be honest. So, um, let's take a look at since this before I drop my mentorship video. What do we do on this Monday? Were we bullish? We were bullish. So it's a little bit weird. Usually, when you have a bullish Monday, a strongly bullish Monday, you want a very bearish Friday. You hardly have the same bias of a Monday on that same Friday. So that's just a little heads up. And let's say you want a little bit more confirmation, right? And you look over here. Definitely makes sense. Yeah. And it actually, you see that wick? So you see that wick, right? It holds that support, but it's saying, okay, well, here we go. So 186. So it's literally, my stop loss would literally be right there. Look over to the right. Makes sense. Well, I was saying it should be a little bit higher, like right there. I want to put it to that wick. So that's what I was saying is my stop loss. Obviously, I already have everything well thought out, whether it's right or wrong. I already have my plan. That's what I call my game plan. It's all about following my rules at this point. Which you guys saw on Monday. If you were watching that live stream, if you were in here, I clearly said I want a $20 loss, and I went for $156 loss, right? Just because I don't follow my rules. So it happens. It happens to everybody. It happens to me. Extremely easy to get on tilt. Respectfully, Zero. You know the feeling. Happened to you yesterday, right? Very, very, very easy to get on those type of days. So, just a heads up. If you are trading, I think it might just be Nolan and Zero. But if you are trading, be take things a little smart. This is actually a setup that we had this week. Was it Wednesday setup? No. Oh, it was Mondays. It was just like last Friday setup. It was like last Thursday as well, and it kind of looks like it. Yeah, Mondays as well. So Monday, Friday, last Thursday. They all look like the same setup, to be brutally honest. Came up, came down, Victor came up. Makes no sense to hold it right there. All those wicks are coming back down. Do I have my one options trading? That's actually a lot of you guys here, man. Happy Friday. Hopefully it also feels like a Friday for you guys. I'm sitting at $634 an account from a $94 account flip from CPI. I don't remember CPI was this Tuesday or last Tuesday. So I think it was last Tuesday. So it feels good. When you think about stuff like that, it feels good. It makes a huge difference in your trading when you can be like, kind of like, I'm not trying to self-praise myself, but if you can be like, okay, And it makes things a lot easier in your mental too, to be honest. When you're like, I think you should test this. I don't want to see anything else. And I don't. I don't. But TP wise, I think we have to basically take this up because we have this gap. We roughly have these gaps right here. Right? So I think we should easily hit that. I mean, it might not be on the first go, and kind of looking at a look at the points. That's 220 points. That's a huge difference. Um, Actually, looking to the left, this would probably be more realistic. TP. Where was that looking? It was looking right, like right there. It was on top of these wicks. Yeah, that's a lot more realistic, I'd say. So. Yeah. Huh. You guys doing okay? Nolan left, that's fine. I know Nolan likes to get on his own call with Ozzy, so that's fine. Who in here is trying to trade? Hey, you know what? We have this wick came down. Do we have anything right here? We do. We do. We do. We do. We do. We do. Mix. Yeah, but then you have a break of structure. But then you have a wick over here. Retest. Hmm. 262. 262. I think that I'm a little iffy on that, to be honest, bro. But let's see. We did have a clear tap support. It's just it gets really iffy over here. Remember over here yesterday we were holding was resistance like right here somewhere. If anything, 261. Are you telling me we just tapped this and just went? Let's take a look in 1 minute. Oh. Ouch. Let's see if we can get a retest. So, okay. So then my stop loss, you see that wick, it would be 230. That's a 30 fucking point stop loss. But that's definitely saying that we could hold support. Plus, it still has a bullish structure. That's fine. Definitely something right here. This is a little complicated. If we can come for a retested 262, I don't have hopes for that part though. This is a high risk. This trade setup is a high risk. It's a Fridays too. Mondays and Fridays are high risk days. Best days if you want to de-risk your lot size or whatever. Yeah. Perfect. Ooh, I like this. TP, support, stop loss. What else do I need to be doing? Yeah, I want to just wait for market opening, or if we can get a little drop. I don't really like using the 1 minute time frame, but I just wanted to clarify if we were bouncing off of the 262 level. And it kind of seems like we're stalling here, so we might have a retest. No hopes, to be honest. You just gotta take whatever the market gives. We still got a lot of bullish momentum. I mean, we do, and we also have a huge bullish imbalance to take out. Oh, okay. Let's see. 262, 280. This will be. We can get a retest. 5. Okay. With a retest, I also get to see where we can come down to. This is looking scary. Scary. Muy scary. Let's go. Do I want to get in? Do I want to get in? Do I want to get in? Wait, wait. It's going a little bit lower. Let me just get in. Alright. Holy shit, I'm already $40 of fucking drawdown. $278 is my entry. $50, $60. $40. $90. Oh shit, $100. Come on, come on. You're gonna bounce. 20 points in drawdown. You're gonna bounce. Come on. No, no, no. I gotta call it. Fuck. If it breaks at 213, that's my final. It's gonna fuck. Oh, we're retracing. Come on, motherfucker. You're bullish on my ass. I know it. You're bullish. You're bullish. Come on. 213 would come back. This is gonna be a big loss. Holy fuck. It's gonna be a big loss. Big ass loss. Oh my god. Come on, come on, come on. I gotta get up. Holy shit. I just took a massive. I gave back 50% of my account. What the fuck? Yo, I am disgusted. What the fuck? Ain't no way. That's a fucking. Oh my god, that's a massive fucking loss, bro. Ain't no way. Motherfucker. Ain't no fucking way. I took a 400. What the fuck? Am I gonna revenge trade? I'm gonna pull a Diego, ain't I? Let's give it. Let's cool down. Drink some water. Let's drink some water. What the fuck? A $400 loss on a $646 account? What the fuck, dude? Oh my god, I'm disgusted. Oh my. What are we doing? Came down, came down. What's the chances that we could be holding support down here? But we're There's no way. I'm taking a tiny ass stab at this. At least I de-risk on this motherfucker. 211 right here in my entry. Taking a buy, taking a stab. I'm right at $2. I mean, sorry, 3 points. I just need this one to be one and done. Stop or some profits. Gotta just let this one go. What the fuck, dude? That 211. That's a. I'm disgusted. I can't even fake this. All right, back in fucking profit. Back in drawdown. Wow, I am. She looks like she's just gonna drop on my ass again, bro. All right, let's take a look at this 211. I'm 12 points in drawdown. Wow, dude, that is. Oh my god, dude. Wicks, 161, 175. Yeah, that's a good. So we don't have no news. It's 6:34. I'm $12 in drawdown. 17 points. I have to look at this from that perspective. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm just. Alright. 6 points in drawdown. Oh my god, that is disgusting. I feel like puking. Gave back this whole week's worth of profits in just one trade. What was I thinking, bro? Alright, right over. Okay, for a second there, I was right in TP. I mean, I was just in profit. Kind of seems like we're wicking my entry, but there's just no way I can see this thing selling off there. I mean, what's a good realistic TP for this one at that point? Can this still be? So it's lingering. As you can see, the dotted entry is my entry. Want to kind of just accept the face of truth here, right? Either I'm gonna take a small loss, or it could be I'm gonna take a small loss, motherfucker. She wants to push $12, $23, $30. Well, we should, man, be bound. That should be a massive push. Oh my god. Just gonna be patient with this one, guys. That was a nasty one. Why is this thing not bouncing yet? It's taking a while, but we're due for bullish momentum. I mean, we're kind of. How am I gonna go for If it makes new lows, that's my cue, guys. It's making new lows. I'm gonna get on tilt here. If I'm not, I'm holding the X button on this buy. It's scaring me. $70 and drawdown, climbing its way back up. 48, 50, 60, drawdown. Gotta push it, gotta push it, gotta push it, gotta push it, gotta push it. I gotta spend time this weekend kind of looking back on that first trade. Because, damn, that was a loss. That was a loss, motherfucker. It went from... We're gonna snap it to the south here, ain't we? It's toying with me hard. It's toying with me hard, guys. But this is a... I can't tell if I'm liking it or how is it looking. I can't tell. I gave back half my profits for the week. That's really not super bad. I mean, 70-80%. I have to take a look at my journal, but 70-80% of my fucking account or profits for this whole week. That's what sucks. Alright, so we're back in profit. $9 in profit. How about that? Can we get a runner here? I'm back in just lingering $9 in profit and in drawdown. If we're gonna get a push, gonna take it. If we're gonna come back down, I'm not willing to go back for the roller coaster. Because at that side, I might just be... We do have support down here, and you're whipping it pretty clearly. I mean, I got a bad feel on that, that's for sure, but... Alright, there we go. Gonna push, gonna push. $30. Can we at least get a push to like right here, bro? That'd be sweet. 277, $70 in profit, moving stop loss. Let this one try to run it out. I want to see potential. Really want to see potential. I can make peace with this. Come on, run it, run it, run it. Is my stop loss gonna get hit? Oh, not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet. Run it, run it, run it. There we go. There we go. There we go. Come on. Come on. Come on. You're gonna push it. You're gonna push it. Get above this. Please, 246. Come on. 246. Come on. Go run at $92, $78. Come on. Again, you want to come for my fucking stop loss? Is that what we're doing? Is this a trend? Fucking hunting people's stop loss, bro? What are we doing here? Why are we holding? Push it, bro. Push it. $84, 90. Push it, 90, 105. Come on, come on, come on. 117, 20, 133, 136, 138. Trailing stop loss. Trailing up. Okay, that one was too tight. All right. That's out. I'm done. Here, let me post this screenshot. You guys, I want you guys to feel disgusted with me. Learn from me. Learn from me. Right? I'm not here to say I'm the best. Learn, but you also learn. My stop loss would have got hit either way, and I got out at a good price. Learn from me. Shitty motherfucker. Learn from me. So, actually, in hindsight, I can live with this. Dude, I oh my god, I feel like puking, dude. So my count right now is sitting at 459.76. And now, after a retest for down here, it seems like we could run it. I'm out. 2 trades. I'm out. I don't want. Yeah. No, that's okay. It's okay. It's but you know what? What's important, and let me just disable my one-click trading. That way I don't enable another trading. Okay. Let's empty our charts. Empty our charts. We had that massive dump. Let's see, what were we thinking about? Give me feedback. I think 0. I think Punjit. You guys trade similar things, similarly to me as well. Give me feedback. Let's learn while we got the stream going. Let's learn this together. Did I take? You always have to. I thought that was a good loss. No, that was a horrible loss. Actually, I'm probably gonna name this stream on YouTube. Trader broke his rules. Tiny bit of patience. Okay, well, I still wanted to see something holding roughly right here. Well, that was my initial bias, right? Ideally, I wanted to see something holding like that. Makes sense. You got to think about we were wicking down here. Then 6:15, 6:30. Like, remember I did say I did want to see a retest, and it kind of looked like we were wicking it. I was so close to tapping buys, market buying right here. I mean, it was literally what, just 9 points above my my zone. I wanted to really see this rip from here. Small, tiny retest for a rip. I'm not joking. I really did want to see that. This is also why we take our fucking profits. You see how she came back? But you know what I could see here? Don't quote me. Gotta take what the market gives, but I could see this. Yeah. What time frame is that bonfire? We still got so much. I mean it. Mark my words. Today's gonna be a bullish day. It's gotta be a bullish day. It's gotta be a bullish day. But I'm not happy with the way it traded. I'm not happy. You guys, look at my first trade. Look at my first trade at $406. What? That's a 80 point stop loss. I mean, 5 times 80 is 400. So say 81 points, right? 82 points. Yeah, 78 plus three. That makes my stomach want to turn. That is true. That is true. uh, but I mean it. You guys, and there's more people in here now. Hey, what's up, Seiko? Guys, you learn from me, right? Learn from my losses. Don't you wanna? So I'm obviously ending today with a loss. Um, luckily enough, I got that trade and 274. So I mean, it basically resets me back to where it was after Tuesday trading. Monday I took a 150 loss. Tuesday, Wednesday made it back, but my count is the same, almost the same as Tuesday after trading. So this is what I mean. Why do you guys want to take all these losses same at I mean take these losses and go on your own way to endure all these multiple of these days, right? You it's not rocket science. $5 per point and I got out at 406 of a loss. You look at the points from 278 and I closed at 197. That's a shitty way. This trade should have been no more than how much was my stop loss? I said 32 points. I mean 32 times 5. Just like Monday, we're going back in circles. Now this should have been a 100 and probably $70 loss at best. Instead, close it out for what is that? That's 2.5 times what was. And I said it too. Hey, we might be dumping here. But I don't wanna. I don't wanna. I feel like I'm awfully already in a bad mental spot. So, um, you bet I'm gonna be staring at this for quite a while. This is why I like taking screenshots. Learn from my previous mistakes, so I don't redo them previously, right? Um, One thing I would say is for your loss is to stick to rules. Yes, yes, yes. Um, and this is my biggest problem. I'm profitable, but I don't. I can easily wipe out my profits because of not following my stop loss. So this is why I think again you guys have so much more to gain from watching my losing days, watching my losses, watching me lose like this, rather than hearing it from the mentorship. Because this is live experience. This is real shit. Can't I'm not proud of it. I'm still very much disgusted, and you guys should all too, right? But any questions? Um, well, I yeah. If okay, let's see what NASA's doing. Oh, we broke it. All right, sweet. Um, Thing is, then I would have followed my previous trade, and I probably would have entered at 200. Um, I don't. I think realistically, bonfire. If I took a buy there as well, a second buy because I followed my rules and closed out. Um, my first trade, say properly, right? Ash. Then I would have took a loss. I feel like either way, because there's times where I can be really stubborn, and sometimes I take impulsive trades, just like anybody. I think I would have took basically a nasty loss one way or the other. In fact, I knowing myself and how I managed that trade, dude, this is crazy. I blinked. It was 140 or in drawdown to I never even saw 300. I like got flashed. So Would I have re-entered? No. I mean, yes, I would have taken a little loss, but realistically, if I follow my rules, no, no. Ash, take a guess. Which one you think I'd want? I'm going to a bar tonight. I need to find me someone special, someone worth it. that one, that one hurt, guys. But at the same time, just I'm still looking at my profit on my phone of that second trade. I'm Are you kidding? Hell no. Nah. Come on, dog. They got exotic Latinos over here in New York. At least that's what I've seen in movies. Um. Oh my god. You guys ever have those moments where you look at someone's trade and you're like, I just like that happened. Like he did that. I'm kind of in the same way. Like, man, I did that. I did this. Ouch. So, any questions? I'm gonna try to record the remainder since I do have time right now. It's what time is it over here in New York? I just it's 9:54. Oh yeah, 3 hours of a difference only. 9:54. Actually, I should have just looked at my microwave. The time's right over there. 9:54, 9:55, whatever. I need to finish the remainder of the mentorship. Honestly, it's kind of just nagging and it's nagging my mind. I just want to just finish it and get it over with. Another thing too, I am not really fully interested in, as I said this earlier, in the pre-market. I'm not really interested in making the third episode of the mentorship, mostly because I think these live tradings are just way better. Give me guys honest feedback if somebody can honestly type whether you learned something or whether maybe that might not be the best thing about me or my style of trading, but you saw me take that trade live, and then I mean some things got to click compared to just seeing and hearing me talk nonstop in the mentorship. That's just what I think. You can really understand someone's style of trading by understanding their thought process, hearing that shit live. Um, I just don't feel like no one can give a proper trade recap if it's already occurred. I mean a recap, right? Now, people would obviously be like, "Oh, since," and I know it. There's a shit ton of people. You could search this, give it a day or two, maybe Saturday afternoon, tomorrow afternoon, to Sunday morning. Come back on YouTube and type trade recap or something, um, or look at the previous people who traded, and you're gonna be like, you know what? You're gonna be like, literally, a lot of people took shorts, and they're gonna be like made 1,300, 1,700, made 3,700, made 37,000. So many people just do that. That's why I'm not really the happiest with trade recaps. But man, this day got to me, guys. Got to me. I think mentorship vids are good for the absolute basics. You said that right. But live trading videos are better for bridging the gap. I like that. I like that. Still learning, so seeing you trade and others help myself get more confident, understand the markets. Live helps a lot too, giving a second confirmation of my own thoughts. But here's the thing: when you join these live trades and zero, I'm just speaking from my own experience. And my other laptop froze. My broker, my fucking broker, does freeze from time to time. Or it might be a connection problem. I don't know. Here's the thing: zero. You try to trade on your own, and it goes to everybody. You try to trade here on your own, and then you join here. You hear me out. It changes your whole thought process. You don't learn that way. In fact, if you're easy to manipulate, you probably, you kind of said it the best. The little birdie zero got to get out his nest. That was cute, and that's pretty accurate too. Uh, I strongly just recommend everybody, and this is why I created the mentor voice, because I actually wanted to check in with people, I want to hear people's trades. I want to see people charting, whatnot, and I want to just hear everything of their thought process, right? So as said, you explain one thing, then live trade showed that in real time. I mean, yes, yes, yes. Um, I don't care personally if this changes anybody's opinion on my trading. I don't. I mean, I'm not the best trader. I do win a lot more than I lose. It's just my losers are, they can be pretty heavy, right? So basically, again, with today's trading, I mean, it got me back to where my account was after I made profit on Tuesday. That's rough. That's rough. But I didn't blow that count per se. I don't know. Still thinking I one trade wiped 50% of my whole capital. Obviously, that's gonna sting a bit, you know. Um, so now I can say, realistically speaking, I just let's do the math. With $5 per point, and right now I'm down to say 275. What's 275 divided by 5? Let me look at it. 55 points. 55. In the way I'm trying to cope, if you will, I kind of feels like I took a stop loss of 55 points with 5 lots for this broker, right? Meaning, in other words, or sorry, it's a 0.05 loss, meaning $5 per point. I stopped out at 55 points. That's just how it feels. Um, is that better? Well, my stop loss was still huge. Still gotta reflect on that part. I mean, there's improvements on every corner we talk here. So yeah, that's it, guys. Enough of a yap session. I want to end this here. If there's no more questions, if everybody can type all good or thank you or whatever. I mean, unless if you have questions, then I would just end it right here. All I would ask is just, give me an hour, post this on YouTube. That's typically the upload time for these type of videos. And then I'm gonna get straight to recording the remainder of that mentorship. That way I can post it. I can have it up on YouTube by no later than this evening. I mean, I'm at a hotel, so realistically my speed is probably gonna be like, pretty slow, right? So thank you, Ash. Yeah, I mean, I know you joined in late, but hey, Zero, post that meme, bro. You know what? I got it. Yep, Zero. Yours. Uh, but please, everybody, have an amazing Friday. Regardless of how this trading week goes, went for you, regardless of how it's currently going, if you're still trading. Um, have an amazing day, please. Life is short, and a lot of people get stressed. A lot of people want to have so and so, they want to do so and so, and they have so and so thoughts, right? Because trading is stressful. I get it, 100%. But there's more to life than just charts. And honestly, when you're in a good mindset, you come back fresh, content, and you know your way of trading. Regardless, the hard truth is, I wanted to come to this account to basically get this account. I Fridays and Mondays are great for growing your accounts, great for also blowing your accounts because of the volume. It's lethal. You guys saw it firsthand today as well. If you didn't know it, then you saw it now. That's fine. That's fine. Learn from me. It happens to me. That's fine. I'm still made. I'm still doing well. Um, but just keep your head up. Take one day at a time. I hope this helps somebody in here. As always, guys, be safe. Friday. Have a great weekend. Peace, love, and cheers. Thank you.